At Stellenbosch University, we pursue a vibrant, authentic and inclusive campus culture. That is why we embrace multilingualism and acknowledge all languages and language varieties. One way we promote this inclusive multilingual culture is with real-time online interpreting, focusing on the three main languages of the Western Cape: English, isiXhosa and Afrikaans. With real-time online interpreting, you can experience your lectures in English as well as Afrikaans or isiXhosa as they happen.
Ons span professionele opvoedkundige tolke het al binne alle fakulteite aan die universiteit gewerk. Daarom ken ons die konteks en vakspesifieke taal van die onderskeie dissiplines en modules. Van die geesteswetenskappe tot die eksakte wetenskappe, werk ons saam met dosente om seker te maak dat ons vertroud is met die inhoud en op hoogte bly van die korrekte terminologie.
So why use interpreting? Perhaps you'd like a way to bridge the gap from high school to university while integrating unfamiliar English terminology. Or maybe you have chosen a multilingual approach to your studies to prepare yourself for the workplace. It's not about language proficiency or politics, it's a personal and practical choice.
Tolking is gratis vir alle UE-studente. Al wat jy nodig het is oorfone, 'n slimfoon of skootrekenaar met die MS Teams toepassing en 'n internetverbinding. EduRoam werk gewoonlik goed. Skandeer net die QR-kode wat in die klas vertoon word of sluit op enige tydstip tydens die lesing aan deur die skakel op die Sunlearn blad van die module.
Not sure whether your module offers interpreting or having trouble accessing the service? Ask your lecturer or contact talkinfo@sun.ac.za for more information or technical support. We look forward to supporting your multilingual learning journey.